Get to know Nova Systems. We're a company focused on developing AI applications and systems that empower you to bring together data from disparate sources and answer essential questions about your business. Now, with Novilens for healthcare, you can make informed, data-driven decisions in a hospital setting and promote the sustainability of your organization. Our advanced capabilities make it easy to bridge financial, operational, and clinical EMR data from multiple systems. With a Novilens for healthcare subscription, you can improve revenue cycle by enhancing payer submission accuracy and flagging potential denials before submission, analyze EMRs to address clinical variation, increase patient satisfaction by providing patients with customized information appropriate for their conditions, assess your hospital's competitiveness by your location or your specialties. But it doesn't end there. You can readily tailor analytics to answer additional questions about your operations. And with the ability to take in data from multiple sources, you can develop new solutions for your healthcare organization. What's more, you don't have to work through layers of developers and software engineers. Instead, you can easily perform the work yourself in a simple-to-use hardware plus software platform that guides you through complex analytical tasks. With Novilens for healthcare, it's all about ability. You're able to fuse together data as one data set. Plus, you can use AI tools such as natural language processing and machine learning to explore new insights from your data. Contact us for a demo at demo@nova.systems. Learn more by visiting nova.systems/healthcare today.